Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to talk to you about dark lips. Just as the skin tone, the color of our lips also varies from person to person. It is mainly determined by our skin color. That is, the dark skinned people tend to have slightly darker color to their lips as compared to the fair skinned people. It is not the color of the lips, but any change in the lip color or darkening of the lips that can be a cause of concern. Now, what are the common causes for dark lips? Sun exposure. As we know, the UV rays from the sun causes tanning of the skin by increasing the melanin production. In the same way, it also causes darkening to the lips. Dehydration is a common cause for darkening of lips. In fact, one of the earliest signs of dehydration is dark, dry and dehydrated lips. Smoking is a very common cause. It's not just the nicotine in the cigarettes which can cause darkening of the lips, but also the heat in the cigarette stubs. It actually causes a thermal damage to the lips. In fact, you can commonly see darker outer or the external portion of the lips in smokers, but the mucosal aspect tends to become a little depigmented. Allergies is a very common cause of darkening of the lips. In fact, lipstick allergy is not as uncommon as we think it to be. Not just lipsticks, even chapsticks, lip balms, even toothpaste can cause darkening. It can cause allergy on the lip and leading to darkening. So it's very important to identify this cause, because lipstick dermatitis or lipstick allergy is very difficult to sometimes find out and to even convince the patient. Certain internal diseases like Addison's disease, which is a disease of the adrenal gland, it can cause dark patches on the lips. Then there are certain medications like antibiotics such as minocycline. Then there are anti-malarial drugs which are very common in the COVID times nowadays, like the hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine, which can cause darkening of the lips. Atopic eczema is sometimes seen very commonly in children, and this is a condition where there is dry skin and dry lips, because of which the child gets into the habit of constant licking of the lips, thereby leading to inflammation of the lips, something that we call as chylitis, causing darkening of the lips. This can actually be identified as we can see a red inflamed vermilion border of our lips. Now, what can we do to reduce or to prevent darkening of our lips? Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. More so during summers. Hydrate your lips very well by applying good moisturizers. Stay sun safe. Use wide rimmed hat. Avoid sun exposure as much as possible. In fact, nowadays you do get lipsticks, lip balms which contain SPF of at least 30, and this can protect your skin from your lips from sun exposure. Once you know the cause of your darkening of the lips, it can be treated very well by a dermatologist. If there is an allergy that is causing the lip darkening, then one must stop the incriminating product, whether it's the lipstick or the toothpaste or the lip balm. Quit smoking, not just for your health, for your lungs, for your loved ones, but also for your lips. Your dermatologist will be able to identify the cause and prescribe the right product for you which can help to lighten the lips. These are topical creams which contain niacinamide, vitamin E, vitamin C, kojic acid, arbutin. Even chemical peels can be done to reduce the color, to lighten the color of your lips. Of course, this is a slow process. It will require about 4 to 6 sessions and at 15 days interval. Chemical peels which contain lactic acid, glycolic acid are particularly helpful. Lip lightening can also be done using the Q-switched Nd:YAG laser or the Revelite laser, something that we call as a laser toning technique. This is done as multiple sessions every 15 days interval. About 6 to 8 sessions are required, but it really helps, especially in very dark colored lips. Thank you.